Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today we are going to learn about the difference between a summary and a paraphrase of the poem. Now let's get started. Summary versus paraphrase. Summary of the poem, Those Winter Sundays. The poem describes the speaker's memory of his loving father, who used to wake up early on cold winter Sundays to warm the house and polish the shoes. At that time, the speaker did not understand his father's silent love and sacrifices. He only realized later in life that his father's harsh and tireless routine was actually an expression of deep love and care. The poem highlights the theme of unspoken love, parental sacrifice, and regret for not appreciating it earlier. Now let's see the paraphrase of the poem. Paraphrase of the poem, Those Winter Sundays. On cold winter Sundays, the speaker's father would wake up very early, even in the painful cold. His hands were rough from hard work, yet he would still get up without any complaint. He would light the fire to warm the house and make everything comfortable for his family. After that, he would also polish the child's shoes. Despite all these services, no one thanked him or noticed his efforts at the time. Now, the speaker understands that even though his father showed no words of love, his actions were full of deep affection and sacrifice. So this is the paraphrase and summary of Those Winter Sundays. And if you still have any question, put your question in the comment box. Thank you.